Is it a bird? A plane? Nope. It's the world's smallest spy cam. And today, near Oslo, Norway, this team is taking it farther and faster than it's ever gone before. Each one weighs only 16 grams. That's the same as 3 sheets of paper.
Within the base station, we have not one, but 2 self-contained helicopters which are ready to fly out of the box. Once we're ready to fly and we have the helicopter out, I can hold this here and put the pocket-sized base station in my back pocket. It's ready to go when you're ready. Now I'm just heading out now.
It quickly reaches a top speed of about 20 clicks. And there are engineering trade-offs.
I'm a little bit concerned that as we approach the top, we may have a little bit of turbulence from the wind striking in the thermals there.
Wind can be a problem.
So can you notice there that we have the side of the cliff there, and we can use that for some visual guidance as well.
Mission accomplished. They've located their target hiding on the top of the cliff.
Now it's just a matter of getting it safely home.
Yeah, that's concentrating on that now.
Can do a full speed flight home.
They punch in their GPS location, and the autopilot will bring the drone back to base in record time.